Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this week's episode, we are at a new Crownland camp spot and we'll be trying out our wood stove for the first time inside our tent. So sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy the video. This morning we set out on a short hike to the river, and the conditions were perfect to get some drone footage. After getting back to the tent, it was time to stoke the fire to warm up and also make another warm drink. While exploring around our camp spot, I found a bunch of grouse feathers. Most likely these were left behind by a local hunter, but they sure are beautiful. I personally really enjoy flying my drone. It truly gives a perspective like no other. And it allows us to get a bird's eye view while still staying on the ground ourselves. And sometimes I feel like we can appreciate the changes of the seasons a little bit more when we see them from above. Thank you so much for watching this week's video. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any requests for future videos, please leave them below. Stay tuned for more outdoors adventures, and we'll see you next week for part 2.